up, dude?
What's going on, man? You ready to do this?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go check it out.
I'm Dusty Pryor. I chose Don's because it's closer to my house, a lot easier to come and get everything done rather than go somewhere out of town. I'm gonna be doing a 10-inch lift on my 2013 Dodge Mega Cab.
I think it's a good looking setup, man. Definitely nobody on the road will have anything like this. So we got everything here, it's all ready to go. The next step will be sending this off to powder coat so we can get it to match the truck, and hopefully soon we'll get it back to continue to build. First thing we're gonna do is get the vehicle lift kit sent over to powder coat, where the guys are gonna use state-of-the-art equipment to get the lift painted to match to the truck. It's a very high bond, very durable product. It's gonna last just as long as the truck will last. Once we get the lift back to our shop, we're gonna get the lift all spread out where we can come up with a plan of attack. Once everybody's on the same page and we all know what we're going to be doing, we're going to look over and inspect every single part of the lift for any imperfections and get that out of the way. Next, we're going to start the tear down process on the truck, where the guys are going to remove any factory parts that we needed to take out to accept the aftermarket lift. Once that's out of the way, we'll go ahead and install the aftermarket headlights with the color changing LED and pods. They're projectors, full range of color. It's very customizable with different strobe and different patterns. After that, we're going to go ahead and start taping off things, because we're going to go ahead and paint the frame and the axles on the truck with a custom paint job to make everything look new, just as the lift kit is. Went ahead and on this unit we installed aftermarket brake pads and rotors. We felt that it was needed with the extra weight to give it the right stopping ability and minimize brake dust. We got the coilovers installed and tuned to the vehicle's ride specification. We're going to go ahead and install longer extended steel braided brake lines, get these old ones out the way. Next, we're going to mount and balance the tires so that way we have them ready to go on the truck. We got the fuel tires on the specialty forged wheel. Next time you see us, we'll be giving this truck back to Dusty, and we can't wait to see his reaction.